In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove cart icon in Squarespace. If you're not selling products or you simply want a cleaner header, removing the cart icon is quick and reversible. I'll walk you through it step by step, explain what you're seeing along the way, and share a few tips so you feel confident making the change. Start by signing into your Squarespace account and landing on your account dashboard. From there, open your main dashboard. This is your hub where all your sites and settings live. Next, go to your website so you're working on the correct site. Once your site opens, click Website to enter the site's configuration area. Now head to Pages. Even though we're adjusting the header, opening Pages brings up the site editor and puts you in the right place to make visual changes. With a page open, click Edit. You're now in the page editing mode where you can modify sections and the header. Move to the very top of the screen and choose Edit Site Header. This opens the dedicated header editor, which is where Squarespace manages your logo, navigation, and header elements like the cart icon. Inside the header editor, click Add Elements. This panel shows everything you can place in the header: buttons, social links, account icons, language switches, and the cart. You may see options like button, social links, account, and language switch as you scan the list. These are just other elements you can add or manage in the header. Keep scrolling until you see cart. Select cart to focus on the cart element that's currently in your header. Now, click directly on the cart element in the header preview. You should see it highlight or show a small toolbar indicating it's selected. If you see a settings or edit option for the cart, open it briefly to confirm you've targeted the correct element. If the settings pane isn't needed, that's fine. What matters is that the cart element itself is selected in the header area. If the selection deselects, click in an empty space to reset, then click the cart again to make sure it's the active element. With the cart selected, choose Delete. Depending on your template, this might appear as a trash icon or a delete button. Confirm the removal if prompted. The cart icon should immediately disappear from the header preview. Before you leave, click Save in the header editor. Saving locks in the change across your site so visitors won't see the cart icon anymore. After saving, click Exit to return to the main editor and then back out to your dashboard when you're done. A few quick tips as you review your site. First, check both desktop and mobile views in the header editor to make sure the cart icon is gone in every layout. Squarespace can display slightly different header configurations by device, so it's smart to verify both. Second, if you ever want to bring the cart back, you can return to Edit Site Header, open Add Elements, select Cart, and place it where you want. Your commerce settings and products aren't affected by removing the icon. This only hides the visual shortcut in your header. Third, if you use member areas or subscriptions but don't sell physical products, consider keeping the account element while removing the cart to keep the header focused and tidy. That's it. Sign in, open your site, enter the page editor, edit the site header, select the cart and add elements, delete it, save, and exit. You've cleaned up your header and made your navigation more purposeful, all without changing the underlying store configuration. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.